You know what's wild? Apple just might have outdone themselves this year with blue. Yeah, I said it. Blue. Not just any blue, a soft, elegant, MacBook-inspired blue that makes me want to write poetry. But wait, it gets crazier. Okay, so picture this. You're scrolling through Instagram and suddenly there's a leak about the next iPhone dropping in September, like clockwork, right? Every year we get teased with new colors, new cameras, blah, blah, blah. But then I saw something that made me stop mid-scroll. Hold up, are they really bringing sky blue to the iPhone 17 Pro? And not just any sky blue, the same shade as the M4 MacBook Air. Hello, synergy much? Now listen, let's be real here. How many times have you bought a phone only for it to feel like every other phone ever? Same design, same colors, black, white, gold, yawn. It's like tech companies forgot how to dream big or something. My current phone is basically a rectangle-shaped paperweight at this point. No personality, no soul, just meh. So, when I heard Apple was shaking things up with a bold new color and redesigning the camera module, I thought, finally someone gets it. After digging into leaks from tipster Majin Buu, who, by the way, has been eerily accurate before, I found out some juicy details. Apparently, Apple's testing prototypes of the iPhone 17 Pro in all sorts of colors. But one stood out, this ridiculously smooth spring morning sky blue. Like, imagine holding a piece of the sky in your hand. Sounds cheesy, but trust me, it works. And get this, they're also revamping the rear panel with aluminum and glass. A larger camera bump too. Wait, no, even better. It's going to house an insane triple camera setup. Boom. So obviously I had to dive deeper. What does this mean for us regular humans who aren't professional photographers or TikTok influencers? Well, buckle up because the specs sound insane. We're talking 6.3-inch display, 12 gigabytes of RAM, up from 8, and a 35-watt fast charger. 35 watts, that's almost respectable now. They're swapping out the old 12-megapixel sensors for 48 megapixels ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. 48 megapixels, people. Your dog's Instagram account will never look the same. But here's where it got hilariously intense. There's a rumor floating around that the A19 Pro chipset might actually turn your phone into a sentient robot. Okay, maybe not that advanced, but still. Imagine gaming on this thing. It'll probably fry my brain faster than caffeine. Speaking of which, did anyone else's last phone overheat during a Zoom call? Typical. Let's break it down, shall we? First off, the color. Sky blue. Enough said. If you don't think this screams luxury, then I don't know what planet you're living on. Then there's the redesigned rear panel. Half aluminum, half glass. Classy yet practical. Did Apple finally figure out durability without sacrificing style? Jury's still out, but fingers crossed. Now onto the camera system. Triple camera setup, LiDAR scanner, 48 megapixels, lenses, you name it. This isn't just a phone. It's basically a DSLR stuffed into a rectangle. And let's not forget iOS 19, which drops in June at WWDC 2025. Can't wait to see what kind of chaos or magic that brings, and props to whoever decided to include in-house Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modems. About time, honestly. Was starting to think they'd farm that out forever. Alright, pros first. The color is unmatched. Seriously, if you don't pre-order this just for the aesthetic alone, I question your life choices. The upgraded camera system is bananas, and the A19 Pro chipset sounds like it could power a spaceship, plus 35-watt charging, finally catching up to Android standards. Cons? Well, the price tag will likely make your wallet cry, and that larger camera bump, it's going to stick out like a sore thumb. Whose idea was this again? A time traveler from 2020? Also, why do these leaks always come out months ahead of launch? Torture method. Would I bet my Wi-Fi password on the iPhone 17 Pro? Absolutely. In fact, I'd tattoo its release date on my forehead if it meant skipping the pre-order line. Is it worth it? Only time will tell, but based on everything we've seen so far, this could be the most exciting iPhone upgrade since the original. So yeah, September can't come soon enough. I'm ready to trade in my boring black rectangle for a slice of the sky. Deal? If you're hyped about the iPhone 17 Pro or just love debating tech colors, hit that subscribe button. Let's chat in the comments. What color would you pick if you could redesign the iPhone? Next week, we're diving into another ridiculous tech rumor. Spoiler alert, it involves space lasers. Peace out.